Eid ul-Fitr is celebrated with great passion all over Europe. In Albania, Eid is known as Fitr Bajrami. Greek Easter soup is popularly consumed during the Eid feast. In Bosnia and Herzegovina, Eid ul-Fitr is locally known as Ramzanski Bajram. It is a 3-day public holiday. Worshippers attend a dawn prayer and a sermon, after which people visit each other, give gifts to children, and popularly consume baklava. Eid ul-Fitr is called Sugar Feast in Greece. It is celebrated mainly by the local Muslim minority, Turks, Pomaks, and the Roma people. On the day of the Eid, Greek families gather together, wear their best clothes, and celebrate with a common meal. After attending the morning prayer, the women prepare and offer sweets to family and visitors, while small children go around and pay their respects to the elderly by kissing their hands. The elders in turn reward them with candies, sweets, and small amounts of money. Local Muslim shopkeepers close their shops this day, while Muslim minority schools have a 5-day holiday for the feast. In Russia, where 10 million Muslims reside, Eid ul-Fitr is often known as Urasa Bayram. Eid is a public holiday in the republics of Adygea, Bashkortostan, Dagestan, Ingushetia, Kabardino-Balkaria, Karachay, Cherkessia, Tatarstan, and Chechnya. Most Eid dishes consist of mutton, but salads and various soups are also popular. In Tatarstan, pancakes are popularly baked especially for Eid feast. Russian Muslims go to festive worships at mosques in the morning of Eid al-Fitr, after which they often visit older relatives as a sign of respect. In the North Caucasian republics, children popularly go past various houses with a bag to get it filled with candy, specially stored by locals for the celebration. In Dagestan, eggs with bright stickers is a popular traditional dish served there during Eid al-Fitr. People generally dress more during this day. Women choose bright dresses with beads, while older people would wear papakas. In many places in the country, master classes are also hosted where families take part in activities such as embroidery and clay making. Although Eid al-Fitr is not a recognized public holiday in the United Kingdom, many schools, businesses, and organizations allow for at least a day's leave to be taken for religious celebrations. Most of the mosques in the United Kingdom hold special events after Eid prayer, including Islamic musical performances, brunch buffets, and rides. New Eid traditions are born on the internet. As elsewhere, Muslims in the United Kingdom celebrate Eid by decorating houses, gift giving, and Eid parties for the children.